churlish, rude, impolite. Although Miss X is a beautiful and talented actress, she has a reputation for being churlish and difficult to get along with.
What are you, nuts?
Linda decided never to call that babysitter again because the nanny cam showed that she acted churlish with the children.
Shut up!
According to the latest memo, the new manager is not going to put up with the churlish employee attitudes that have driven customers away. While I know that Matthew can sometimes be very churlish, I'm thankful that at least he's courteous and respectful when he's behind the wheel. I admit that I wake up churlish every morning, but my mood improves drastically after I have my cup of coffee. Churlish, rude, impolite. Churlish, rude, impolite. Churlish, rude, impolite.